So what's up, YouTube? This month is not a good month for me for mirror. So actually last time when I do the install for the this top mirror, I dropped the bottom one, which is yep. So I got the top one, so and then I drop it, and now I have to buy the bottom one. This one right here, it sucks. It costs more. Let me show you guys the receipt right here. The receipt is $31 with tax. Yeah, how about that? That sucks. So, yeah, I don't know what's going on with October for me. This October is pretty bad with mirrors. I broke 2 mirrors within this month, and I gotta fix it so I don't get in trouble with the cops, because I see them every day. So this is a pretty easy install though. I can do it inside my truck. All you have to do is just I gotta be careful with this one because it's already shattered. So there you go, and it's out. This is the back right here. So this is my new one. Okay, back in. Hopefully I can snap it in. Oh, I don't want to drop it again. Shit. Takes like a minute to do this, and I can sit inside the car. I'm in the truck. So if you guys are looking for information to install this and take it out, hopefully this will help. Alright, peace out. Hopefully you guys don't break any mirrors in October.